Hello, this is Farron with Step Above Marketing. Hope everyone's doing well at Skin IQ today. I did call you guys and inform you that I have a custom video that I would like to send you, informing you of how I help businesses expand on the internet. So for the sake of time, I am going to go over three main areas. That's going to be content, citations, and backlinks. Okay, and we're just going to jump right on in here at the customer's journey. Okay, so if a customer is searching for one of the services you provide, of course, 90% of them are going to go to Google in the area. So they're going to type in Atlanta microneedling. We're going to use microneedling for the sake of an example. Okay, so if they wanted to get that microneedling services and they came to Google, of course, we want to show up here in the top three for the map pack. We call this the map pack. Showing up here in the top three, you get 30% of the traffic. And down here, we call these the organic search results. So showing up here, you get the other 70% of the customers who are searching for your services. And hardly anyone actually goes to page 2, 3, and 4. So a business wants to be listed on this first page, and it's even better if their business profile for Google is listed up here in the top three, and they have their website here on that first page. Okay, and then how we get the people that we work with to stay up here in this top three is that we add citations. Okay, and every time your business name, your business phone number, and your business address is listed anywhere on the internet, that's called a citation. So we're actually able to find out how many citations your competitor has, and then we initially add on 50 more than they have. So if they were to have 100 citations, then we would go in and add in 150. Make sure you have at least 150. And then we would build on and so forth month after month. So having multiple citations all over the internet built up over time lets Google know that you're credible, and it helps get you in this top three map pack. And having your website optimized is what helps you get here in the organic search results on the first page. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and go over your Google profile real fast. It looks really good. So, just people keeping reviews here, having that, and then having updated information, like for your products here, you can have a list of your products here. And then there's updates that would show up here as well, with like posts telling people about your business. So that's the only thing, guys, that I didn't see here on your Google profile. It's not being updated with constant posts, and I didn't see any product descriptions, which they would show up here. So that would definitely help with your boostings as well, and getting more of the citations where you're listed on more directories. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're just going to go over content. So we're going to skip over to your web page. Okay, so Google likes to see web pages that have a home page on their front page with a lot of content. So we usually do it like at least 1,500 words on the front main page for a business. So I like, you guys is your logo, your colors and everything. But since this is the first main page for you guys, it could definitely be optimized with, like Atlanta med spots in Atlanta, and any other keyword to get you guys this page to pop up, first when someone's seeing something. And then if we were to go in here and want to get a service from you guys, this is the page that's coming up. Again, I love the colors, the blue color scheme that you guys are using on the website. However, the website could be constructed better, so you guys could be favored by Google. The services actually need to have they should have their own service page. So each service that you provide, like the dermabrasion facial, the hydrobrasion facial, like all of these should have their own page. That way they could be optimized for, whatever location you want to. Like you could even do multiple locations. Like if you want to have people coming from all over Marietta, Alpharetta, things like that, you could actually Buckhead. You could actually, have different locations and get people that way. But ultimately, every service has to have its own service page, and you have to have the keywords for the area that you're in. And that's how Google will get these pages to rank. And just for the sake of example, I just put up a competitor so we can kind of just get a idea of what I mean. Now this is Premier Image. They're honestly, this website is not, it's not like it's a top tier website. The best example to show you, but for the sake of having someone in the area that I found in the results for some of you guys' services, I put them up. So see how they immediately use the word Atlanta. Atlanta's top face practice. That lets the computer robots, for Google and the search engines know, hey, this person offers med spa services and whatnot in Atlanta. So you want to make sure we always have that here in the heading, even up here, and then in the words, having a lot of content and wording and having the right keywords in there. Atlanta, they should have like Atlanta Med Spa, things like that, Atlanta Plastic Surgery. So even this page here could be optimized more, but they do have some of the keywords here. And just to show you a little bit more of what I'm talking about, yes, Google also requires that you have your, heading structure and listed everything with your, services like this drop downs. And I'm going to go ahead and show you what I mean about the keywords again here. So say someone's looking for micro needling, again, in your area. So having that keyword here, like micro needling in Atlanta, Georgia, or Atlanta micro needling, and then having it in your wording as well here. That's what helps you pull a page to the top, and it helps you rank. It helps you get more traffic. It helps you get more visitors who will ultimately turn into customers and clients. So yeah, that's what we do to help people optimize for content. All right, and then what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and jump into backlinks. So what this is here is this is a tool called Ahrefs that I use to be able to see all of the background information going on with the business. I'm able to see, how many links they have, what keywords are associated with their business, and how much traffic they're getting. Okay, so this is a profile overview for your website. Right now, you would have some numbers here to show your growth and your reputation with Google. So as you get more optimized, this number would grow and this number would appear here. Okay, and then we'd be able to judge that. And for the sake of time, we're just going to focus on the backlinks here. So you have 190 backlinks. That means there's another website on the internet that has some links, or websites that have links that point back to you. So like if you're on a website and there's somewhere for you to click that highlights when you click on it, that's a backlink. See how I click on this, when you're on a website and it takes you to another place after you click on a certain link or button, that's a backlink. So having multiple backlinks across the internet, it lets Google know that you're a credible business. It lets Google know that you're an authority in the med spa industry. It lets people know that your website is a great website resource for anyone looking for microneedling, for anyone looking for Botox, things of that nature. So getting the backlinks along with the citations and having the right content is the perfect recipe to get you, pushed to the top. Okay. And also, I just wanted to kind of show you what your competitor is doing again in the area and the potential of the traffic that you can be getting. Okay. So if you look here, they have over 4,000 backlinks, and they have a, pretty decent rating here. I'm just going to go back so you can get a quick glimpse of your profile. So we can show you how we can help you optimize and expand that. All right, so they have over 4,000 backlinks, which that was your competitor, and you guys have 190. You have 167 keywords that are associated with your profile. They have 11,000 keywords associated with their profile. You guys get about 32 in traffic a month, and they get about over 12,000 in traffic a month. That's a lot of visitors, which once your profile and your website is optimized correctly, you could be getting some of this traffic. You'll be getting traffic like this. And that's something that I want to help you guys do and implement. If you would like, I'll only be able to work with one med spa in the Atlanta area, and I hope that it would be you guys. You can give me a call if you would like at 470-458-1811, and you could also reply back to this email, and you can go ahead and reach out to us at any time at info@StepAbove Digital Marketing. You can reach out to us directly, and we'd be happy to assist. I hope you learned something from this video. If you guys couldn't use our services, we always accept referrals as well. And thank you for your time. Have a great rest of your day.